Hi, welcome to this episode of Millennial Pocket. Today we're going to be looking at what happened to Facebook's cryptocurrency. Facebook sees a big market opportunity in digital payments, and they recently started rolling out a new service called Facebook Pay. The company has also been developing its own cryptocurrency initially called Libra, which has the potential to disrupt the global payment space in the future. But what is Libra and what happened to that crypto project? We're going to dive deeper into what Libra is, the features of the token, its potential market and the concerns around it. Sit back, relax, and let's take a look. Libra is a cryptocurrency created by Facebook, which is intended to be used as a simple, low-fee global currency. It will essentially be digital money on a user's phone, which could be used to pay for any purchase where the cryptocurrency is supported. In June 2019, the company released the white paper explaining the new token, which will be able to be purchased, held and used by cryptocurrency wallet applications. Facebook also developed a digital wallet service that can hold and spend these tokens, called Libra, which was also built to protect users' privacy by never mingling their payments with their Facebook data, so it can't be used for ad targeting. The project will be fully managed by an association, so Facebook won't control Libra, but instead get just a single vote in its governance like the other founding members of the Libra Association. As individuals exchange their local currency for tokens, the association will ensure that the tokens are backed by a basket of major currencies and securities, allowing the cryptocurrency to have a relatively stable price, similar to stable coins. The association is made up of several founding partners, which include Uber, Coinbase, Shopify and several other companies which have invested at least $10 million each into the project's operations, in which Facebook will have one vote just like the other members of the association. The Libra cryptocurrency uses blockchain technology. However, it's not a true blockchain currency since it is not fully decentralized, because only members of the Libra Association will be able to access the ledger of transactions. The Libra Association is described by Facebook as an independent, not-for-profit organization based in Switzerland that serves two main functions: to validate transactions on the Libra blockchain and to manage the reserve Libra is tied to and allocate funds to social causes. Facebook, as well as the members of the Libra Association, can make money and cover their costs based on the interest earned on assets being held. The more mainstream the currency becomes and the more assets being held in the reserve, the more the members, including Facebook, will make an interest income. Facebook can also indirectly profit from the usage of Libra by turning businesses who are willing to support this cryptocurrency into advertisement buyers on their websites. Facebook's token is intended to be used as a simple medium of exchange around the world. Backing the cryptocurrency with a basket of major global currencies is intended to provide price stability. That, in turn, promotes the efficacy of the coin as a simple currency that can be used for daily transactions. The main problem it seeks to address is how much it costs for individuals in developing countries to move money. In these developing countries like India, Nigeria and Bangladesh, money sending services charge steep fees and take upwards of $50 billion away from families annually. Its ultimate goal is to provide better, cheaper and more open access to financial services for all, and to become a mainstream digital currency that can be used by anyone, by charging much cheaper fees than other money sending services, utilizing blockchain technology and holding the value of the currency stable. Like other cryptocurrencies, Facebook's token transactions are recorded on a blockchain that confirms each transfer. The Libra blockchain will be managed by the founding members in the early stages, but is supposed to evolve into a fully decentralized open system in the future. That contrasts with Bitcoin, Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies that aren't backed by anything. However, backing a currency with an asset isn't anything new. In fact, the US dollar was backed by gold until 1971. Finally, Libra's low fees and real asset-backed reserve, resulting in low volatility, make it a more realistic mainstream medium of exchange as compared to many other cryptocurrencies. unlike Bitcoin that became more of an asset to be held as a store of value. Several regulators and lawmakers worry Libra would compete with government currencies. That's because Facebook is such an influential platform with more than 2.4 billion monthly active users and has a partnership with Libra Association. France and Germany's finance ministers both railed against Libra, saying Facebook's blueprint for the currency fails to address key risks around financial security, investor protection, and anti-money laundering laws. First, both countries and also US Congress are concerned if Facebook, a private sector company, would effectively be competing with sovereign currencies like the euro and the dollar. Second, there are questions around Facebook data privacy. Facebook said it won't be minting new money with its digital coin. Libra was instead tied to a basket of currencies like the dollar so as to maintain a stable value, since the main aim of the token is to allow people to move money around the globe with ease. As for privacy, the Libra Association has said the organisation is committed to protecting people's data. When the plans were first unveiled, Facebook took pains to point out its wallet was housed in a subsidiary of the social network. The arrangement was designed to allow the wallet company to be regulated by authorities and prevent money laundering and other financial crimes. The company also said it would keep financial data separate from Facebook's social data. In addition to the US Congress, also from Switzerland there began to be the first doubts about the idea of cryptocurrency and the association behind it. In fact, many of the companies within the association abandoned it, leaving Facebook and a few others struggling with regulations. After several clashes with authorities and central banks, the Libra Association changed course and started working on different solutions, failing to find the right setting. Libra was initially meant to be a single coin pegged to multiple currencies for stability that could be traded in place of them. It was later changed to also offer multiple coins that would each be backed by a different currency. Now it seems that the association is intent on launching a single stable currency anchored to the value of the dollar. The most important change, at least at the brand level, is the change of name, from Libra to Diem. Also, Facebook's digital wallet rebranded, changing the name from Calibra to Novi. The stable coin pegged to the dollar value will be called Diem Dollar, and the association is now called Diem Association. Diem proposes to provide a simple platform capable of innovating fintech to allow companies or individuals to exchange money digitally and instantly. The Diem Association is waiting for the green light and approval from the competent institutions in Switzerland, given that the registered office is in Geneva. Despite the new project being launched in August 2020, the hostilities of the regulators and doubts are not lacking. The fears are still essentially aimed at the private entity, Facebook, capable of issuing its own financial service accessible to more than 2 billion people around the world. The scope of this project is potentially infinite, since while Bitcoin and Ethereum are widespread but always within a niche, Diem has the ability to enter everyone's homes instantly. However, giving a company like Facebook the possibility to have the financial data of its users makes this project very difficult to complete. After Cambridge Analytica and the censorship problems experienced by social networks in the past, the last thing that regulators want is to give the possibility to know the amounts, interests and expenses of users associated with the social network. In short, Libra, or rather Diem, remains an ambitious and somewhat utopian project. All that remains is to see what the reactions of the big players in the world of finance and regulation will be. The fears are there, but Facebook and the Diem Association seem well intentioned to complete the project. What do you think about Facebook's cryptocurrency? Will it be a successful project? Would you use it? Please let me know in the comments section below. Leave a like if you got some value from this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, we post every day there. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time.